has made us proud for the purpose of, or enabled us to contribute something back to the society. When on 20th June 2010, when we were looking at that we have to go forward now for the next 50 years, this is the year where we need to take stock of what we have done in past and what we are going to do in future. So on 20th June 2010, I'm sure that all of you would remember that we took an oath. We took an oath to rededicate ourselves to the cause of education. All of us took an say. And one of the very important lines that we said that we will not allow, given a choice, I'll use all my abilities to see that no child goes without education. I think that is the commitment which we have taken. And we have taken strides in respect of that. Some of the very things which we are very proud of, that we are allowing our organization, we are allowing our infrastructure to be used not necessarily and only by the persons who pay fees to us, but by the persons who need it. And that is how we involved ourselves in respect of Bal Gokulam project started by Government of Gujarat, a fantastic project wherein students who are the children who have lost their lost the help of their parents, and these are the students who are put into what we used to call earlier as a remand home, a Bal Gokulam they were put in, and we are providing complete education in the mainstream in the Danteshwar school. The success of Baroda High School in providing this is seen by the fact that there are 51 students who are requiring this type of an education. Out of that 51, 49 are studying in Danteshwar. I think this is what shows the commitment of the school. We committed that we will give education to 50, and we have 49 of them are studying in our schools. Excellent work which is done by our teachers in respect of, and we are constantly monitoring for the purpose of ensuring that these students are going into the mainstream. We adopted Anganwadi program, Ghatak 2, and what we saw was that there was a gap between the teachers and their ability. The students used to come to them, but they did not have, the teachers did not have an ability to educate the children. They were only taking care of the children. What we did was that we upgraded their skills, and we enthused them, and we trained them so that they can utilize that time of 4 or 5 hours that these children are with them for the purpose of ensuring that they are taught and their skills are developed, and so that they are encouraged to take further education after they have completed with their Anganwadis. Another very great good program, and I request our first citizen is here. In case if they need our help in respect of any other Ghataks, we are there to provide our support. Not less, it's about more than 175 teachers or the helpers in Anganwadi have been trained by us. And we have decided that we will continue to provide that support all along for the purpose of ensuring that's an adoption that we have done. For the purpose, no help required for that, but our own teachers, and we have now set up a separate cell for the purpose of giving this help to these teachers, and we are going to man these institutions in a proper manner. We have now still, everything cannot be completed in 1 year. I remember that last time we had said that we had got big plans in respect of that,